The National Institutes of Justice, Office of Science and Technology, in partnership with the Sheriff's Association of Texas and the Center for Rural Development, established the Law Enforcement Aviation Technology Program in the fall of 2005. This program was tasked with identifying and evaluating safe and low-cost aviation assets for support of law enforcement missions. The initial demand for safe and low-cost aviation resources came from small, rural, tribal, and border law enforcement agencies that could not afford traditional law enforcement aviation technologies to support their respective law enforcement missions. The program, however, has evolved to include larger agencies that are limited by budget constraints and are looking for new, low-cost, but safe, effective aviation means for their law enforcement missions. This video will provide an overview of the Aviation Technology Program. The program has evaluated a variety of aircraft, including powered parachutes, fixed-wing light sport aircraft, weight shift, gyroplanes, unmanned aircraft systems, and a variety of affiliated technologies such as camera systems and communication systems. The powered parachute was the first aircraft evaluated by the program. These aircraft had a cost range of $10,000 to $25,000 for a two-seat aircraft. They provide excellent observation capabilities and are extremely easy to fly. Many pilots can learn to fly a powered parachute in less than 5 hours. Maintaining a powered parachute is relatively simple, and we have seen operating costs as low as $20 an hour for a mission, which would include both maintenance and fuel. The powered parachute has had a number of great successes, including marijuana eradication, searching for missing individuals, and photography of critical infrastructure. All of these missions have been provided at an extremely low and effective cost. While the powered parachute has proved to be an excellent tool for law enforcement, it does have its limitations due to weather. Because of its inability to fly in strong winds, the program began to evaluate additional aircraft that would be more wind resistant. This included the fixed-wing light sport aircraft. The first of the fixed-wing light sport aircraft evaluated by the program included the SkyAero 600 Sport. This aircraft has amazing observation capabilities with its tandem seat, large glass canopy. The aircraft is extremely easy to fly and has proved to be an excellent resource for law enforcement. As you can see from the pictures, the SkyAero is a unique aircraft, so the program wanted to look at some more traditional aircraft such as the Tecnam Eaglet, the Savannah VG, and the Flight Design. Again, these aircraft proved to be a tremendous resource for law enforcement by providing low-cost access to the sky. A fixed-wing light sport aircraft ranges in price from $60,000 to $150,000, and they all average about $40 to $50 per hour to operate, which would include its fuel, maintenance, and engine reserve. The program currently has several SkyAeros, Tecnam Eaglets, RANS aircraft, and Savannah VG out in the field for testing. The next aircraft that the program evaluated included weight shift aircraft. Weight shift aircraft, as you can see, includes a wing similar to a hang glider with a powered cart similar to the powered parachute. While the weight shift aircraft have an exposed cockpit, they are more capable of flying in stronger winds, unlike the powered parachute. At the same time we evaluated weight shift aircraft, we also began evaluating gyroplanes. During our annual conference in Annapolis, Maryland, we hosted a number of gyroplane manufacturers to come demonstrate their product. The first gyroplane aircraft acquired by the program was the German-made autogyro MTO Sport. A gyroplane has excellent observation capabilities, low operating costs, and relatively affordable acquisition costs with prices in the range of $60,000 to $80,000. The gyroplane flies extremely similar to a fixed-wing aircraft, but has impressive performance characteristics, both takeoff, cruise, and landing. During our initial flight training in the gyroplane, we were flying in 25 to 30 knot winds and had no adverse effects from the winds. In fact, we were able to land within a matter of feet on the runway. In addition to its evaluation of manned aircraft, the program has also evaluated unmanned aircraft systems. Through its partnerships with the Department of Homeland Security's SAVER program, the Aviation Technology Program has acquired an Air Environment Wasp, Dragon Flyer, Ariane Scout, and Air Robot, all of which are small unmanned aircraft systems weighing under a few pounds. These 4 small UAS are currently in the field being evaluated. While the program provides technical evaluation of the small unmanned aircraft systems, it is also working closely with the FAA to reach a better understanding of implementing small unmanned aircraft systems by public entities into the national airspace. In addition to evaluating technologies, the program also provides educational assistance to law enforcement agencies. Through its annual Aviation Technical Working Group meeting, its partnerships with the Airborne Law Enforcement Association, and its attendance at a variety of conferences, the program helps educate law enforcement on the available options for low-cost aviation assets. The demonstration days hosted by the Aviation Technology Program have been excellent opportunities for agencies to get hands-on experience with the various technologies. These aviation demonstration days are attended by a number of manufacturers of both manned and unmanned products, as well as camera systems and communication systems. Agencies are encouraged to come fly the aircraft and use the various technologies to determine whether it is suitable for their mission. All of the information and data that is being obtained by the Aviation Technology Program is being used to create a guidebook for the acquisition and implementation of low-cost aviation assets. In addition, all of this data and information is being placed on the justnet.org website under the Aviation category. For more information on the Aviation Technology Program, we suggest you go to the program website located at the address appearing on the screen.